Hi guys, in this video, I'm just going to show you what you can do with Distribute for Google Sheets add-on, all right? A quick demo for you, so to speak, all right? So let's get started. So when you open a Google Sheet and you enter Distribute for Google Sheets via the extensions, and then Distribute for Google Sheets, you will see, this setup button. So first of all, we're gonna try to create your list tab first and a few template samples, all right, so that we can distribute Google Sheets. All right, so let's do that. Let's set up. All right, it says done setting up your spreadsheet. All right, so now once you're done, you will see a list tab here and two template samples, right? So here, what you can do here is you can add more columns, and these are the required columns. It requires a name, and this is a required column, but it's not a required field, right? And this is a folder, so this is a parent ID. Let's say, for example, this is the parent folder where you want to distribute your Google Sheets. All right, and this is the template that to use. So this one is preloaded with template underscore name 01 and underscore name 02. So these are the templates that we can use. And then inside your template, you can actually use the column name that is bounded by curly brackets, and then those once are processed will be filled in with the data in your list tab. All right, so this is the example. So once you do the setup, you can actually just run a test really quickly. All right, so let me just delete this one sheet here, and then let's do, we want to distribute the new sheets into the current spreadsheet right now. So it will detect the list and then go there and then do a distribute, basically merge the data. And this is an image, you can do that too. All right, so let's try it. Distribute. So now it's starting. As you can see, it created two tabs here. Since there's two rows in my list, it has Joe and John, and it names it Joe and then John. And since Joe uses template name 01, it will say Joe name 01 and John name 02. All right, and then since these Joe has the column add your own columns test, so when we go here, the template is replaced with the test word here. And then this one, the template 2 is replaced with test 2, which is here in your add your own columns. So let's say you want to replicate this John with two templates, using two templates. You can do that. You just have another template there with delimited by a comma, and then let's delete this too. All right, let's delete that, and then let's run distribute on the current spreadsheet. All right, so it's now gonna create one for Joe and two for John. So one for Joe and two for John. As you can see, John has test and John, hello John here, and then this Joe has hello Joe and test here. All right, and then this one, of course, is test 2. John has test 2 as well. So basically it will replace all those, and then you can add as many columns as you want, and in your template you can kind of add all of this stuff together. So let's say if I want to add even the template names, let me just copy that header thing here, and then let's say I want to put it as you can even do that. That's probably not something that you would normally do, but it's a good way to see. All right, so let me delete these tabs and then rerun it. All right, so done. So let's see here. So it's the yellow one that has the template name. Yeah, so this one, and then this one has two template names. So yeah, so it just picks up whatever the rows here, the columns are for the specific rows and then replace them in your template. So yeah, you can go as complicated as you want or as simple as you want to distribute your sheets. All right, so there's other features here wherein you can kind of distribute it to a new spreadsheet or multiple spreadsheet. All right, so let's just do a quick example of that to a new spreadsheet. So it's just going to be Joe, John, and two John, but it's now in a new spreadsheet instead of the old spreadsheet or the current spreadsheet. And that's the new spreadsheet. So let's click that. So you can see here, yeah, Joe, John, and John. All right. So now if you want to deploy it to different multiple spreadsheet, you can, and then you can even just specify the folder. Oh yeah, so by the way, if you are working with one spreadsheet for the one you're distributing and then you put folders here, this basically means it's gonna create a shortcut. The add-on will create a shortcut in those folders so that the users in those folders who have access to those folders can access your spreadsheet. But if it's when you specify to multiple spreadsheet, the new spreadsheets are actually stored in those folders if you specify a folder. Otherwise, they're all in your drive. All right, so let's give it a try. Let's just say we're gonna do it in a multiple spreadsheet. Let's distribute that. So it's gonna create 3 different spreadsheets. Or sorry, 2, because there's 2 rows. And Joe will have 1 item in there or 1 tab, and John will have 2 items in there, which is template 1 and template 2. All right, that's it. So that's how you use this thing. Now hopefully you enjoy using this and help you a lot. Yeah, so if you like this video, be sure to like this video or subscribe to our channel in case we deploy new Google Workspace automation stuff or games. You will see them, all right, in your YouTube. All right, thanks, have a good day, bye now.